The crossing over the Köhlbrand is the backbone of transport infrastructure in the port of Hamburg. But the existing Köhlbrand Bridge is reaching the end of its service life.
The
old Köhlbrand Bridge was planned in the 1960s. At the time, such traffic loads were not expected, and the last few decades have clearly shown that the bridge is becoming more and more damaged. It's in a really stressed condition, and it won't last. It will soon have reached the end of its service life. And that's why we need a new way of crossing. The decision to press ahead with plans for a tunnel was originally made in 2017 on the basis of feasibility studies. However, an alternative study in 2023 revealed that the advantages of a new Köhlbrand Bridge as a replacement structure now clearly outweigh the disadvantages. Weighing up all the alternatives which we know about today, especially in the case of a tunnel, it would be very demanding to build. There are also approval risks that have to be dealt with because major waterway interventions would be necessary. It would be expensive. And a bridge also has a certain traffic capacity, which plays a major role here. Having weighed up all the parameters, we decided in favour of a bridge structure. The new Köhlbrand Bridge will be located almost exactly where the current one is. It will be much higher though. While the old bridge is now around 53 metres high, the new bridge will be 73.5 metres high. This has to do with the fact that, unlike in the 1960s, we know what size ships enter the port of Hamburg today and already have studies that tell us what we can expect in the next 10 to 15 years. It's comparable with other relevant bridges in global shipping, such as the Suez Canal Bridge. Everything that travels through the Suez Canal is relevant for us. Anything that doesn't fit through there is also less relevant for a passage through the Köhlbrand. It can't be ruled out that at some point in the future there could be bridge structures that are higher. However, this study, which we've taken into consideration, does not consider this to be very likely. And it has to be said that other nautical risks would also have to be considered, such as the entrance to the Köhlbrand, the passage width, the passage depth, so that we can say that a clearance height of 73 metres covers what we expect today. The next thing, which is another important step, is the organisation of a structural competition where the exact design of the new bridge will be decided. Even if the exact design of this monumental structure has yet to be determined, an official visualization shows what the new Köhlbrand Bridge could look like. Cable-stayed bridges. This is the type of construction that's plausible for crossing bodies of water such as the Köhlbrand. Now we have to look at the finer details and what you can see when you're on the bridge, for example, and for that we need this design competition. As soon as the new crossing is complete, the old bridge will be dismantled.